2003 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. This is the SR5 TRD off-road 4x4 package. Doesn't get any better than this. Running boards there, Michelin tires, still got good tread. Bed cover, nice white, four-wheel drive mud flaps. Still plenty of meat on those Michelin treads. 16s, not a scratch, not a ding on this bad boy. Nice running boards. Scratches or dings. Garage cab, well maintained. Here's the 3.4 6-cylinder. Timing belt, water pump replaced right there, as you can tell. Recently, got records of it. It's a very, very clean truck. Most importantly, leather, very, very rare. Got the little jump seats in the back. They both go up. Once again, leather, perfect condition in the front. It literally looks brand new. AC heater, obviously. Here's your four-wheel drive. Rear differential lock. Four-wheel high, four-wheel low. 133,000 miles, which is very low for this engine, guys. They're known to last forever. I can vouch for them. Tacoma owner myself. Man, you won't find another one out there like it. One owner vehicle.